Okay, here is a 1994 van. He takes this to shows all over the place. And he sells out of this trailer here. He sells signs and decals and etched glass items. I'm going to show you inside the van.
I have my full barware.
Here you go. Check this out.
Yeah, that's cool.
Really beautiful paint job.
Oh, that's cute.
And I'll show you inside. I know Victoria May Life Unfiltered would love this.
I'm good. See you later.
Her Native American style. It's even etched on the window if you can see the horses. Now that is a stained glass. It lights up at night. I'll put that at the end of the video. Here's some more stuff over here. It's got a fireplace back over the bed. It's very unique. So I'm going to show you up here inside. It's very dark, but I want to show you this. Oh, so this is vinyl. It kind of looks like metal. Oh, this is metal. Okay, and this is vinyl. So that's like a headboard if you slept sideways, and then there's a fireplace. Some more Native American things. And there's the cabinet work. And then behind the fan, there's some more stuff back there. So he travels all around in this, like I said. So he's in it a lot. I'll take you over here to meet him, and he can tell you about the van. So here's things that he sells.
1994 Ford full custom, 385,000 miles.
Wow, on that motor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Motor's been replaced 3 times. Transmission 4 times.
And did you do the work on it? The customization?
I gave it to a shop in Pennsylvania called customvan.com.
Customvan.com.
Right.
Okay.
And they did the interior.
Okay.
I supplied everything that's in there. There's a refrigerator behind the stained glass, microwave, small bathroom.
It has a bathroom or just a porta potty?
Porta potty.
Okay.
UBS ports throughout the whole van.
Okay. And this is what you sell, and you travel all around and sell this stuff.
Yes.
All right. And what is your name?
Lewis.
Lewis?
Yes.
And this is you here?
Yes.
And we'll
I'll
put this
give you
on here.
something else if you're interested.
There's his
I also
information.
sell wooden roses.
Okay. And this
And
is
if
the
you
wooden
like to have-
roses
if
that he
you like to have
sells.
a glass, just take one because I'm not charging you for the glass.
Okay. I thank you so much, and thanks for showing us your van. Give it a thumbs up, guys. I'll put some still shots in here. See you in the next video. Bye. Here's the van at night with all the lights on. Definitely want to show you this at nighttime. Get back far enough so you can see everything. Doesn't show up as good at night. Like lights get a little blurry. Let me get close up and maybe you can see it better. You got to see the inside. And this all changes color. little fireplace over there. And this is what it looks like at night. Very cool.